Do you feel helpless and have just about given up on your small bedroom? Don't lose hope. There are hundreds of crafty solutions out there that you can try so that it won't seem so cramped. You only need to find the right one. Simp Home understands your dilemma and wants to help you get out of that tight spot you're in, literally. That's why it has gathered 12 terrific ideas to make your bedroom feel more spacious and even add some storage space. Number 12. Make a DIY wall-mounted fabric headboard to maximize space. This simple DIY tufted headboard doesn't require any carpentry skills and take up space. All you need are two 20 by 24 wooden canvas frames. Join them together in the middle with a staple gun and add some duct tape to form the headboard frame. It's best if you hem the edges of your tufted fabric to cover the front of the frame. Make sure to level the fabric pattern horizontally so it won't look crooked. When installing the bed frame over the bed, add two separate wires as you'll be hanging the two canvas frames separately side by side. Number 11. Consider a DIY loft bed as seen on HGTV Saving Alaska for really tight spaces. Cut 2x4 cleats to the width of the bed. Next, drive these cleats securely into the opposite wall studs with 4-inch screws. Make sure there's ample clearance from the ceiling and mattress. Then use joist hangers to screw the 4 2x4 bed studs into both cleats at both sides. Cut 1x6 decking to the bed's width and use finishing nails to cover the whole deck. Leave a 1-inch gap between each plank. Use another 1x6 inch to trim the front end of the deck. Also build a ladder using more 2x4 wood and attach it at a slight incline on the left side. I recommend adding a guardrail from the right of the ladder up to the end of the bed. Number 10. Build a DIY upholstered storage bench. What's great about this upholstered bench is that it serves as seating and as ample storage to hide clutter. To build it, you need two rectangular top and bottom frames made of 1x3-inch boards, and 4 vertical posts are two 1x3-inch boards joined at the corners. The top cover cushion is of high-density foam upholstered over a 1.5-inch plywood base with a light-colored liner using staples. There's a black upholstered 1/4-inch plywood nailed to the bottom. 3 2.5-inch hinges secure the cushion to the bench. The same bright fabric is glue sprayed on the plywood sides. The bench stands on 4.5-inch round feet. Number 9. For your daughter, try this teen platform bed with side storage. Adding open shelves on the platform bed's right side will serve as a divider between it and the lounge area in your girl's bedroom. First, build a bottom frame with 2x4-inch boards to the mattress's size, but extend the width by 1 foot for the shelves. Insert a 2x4-inch board to divide the bed from the shelf section. Next, add two 2x4-inch lengthwise and spaced evenly inside the bed part of the frame. Do the same for the shelf area, but along the width. Use a 1x6-inch board for the face around the bottom and use 1x12-inch boards for the shelving's outer frame. Insert a 2x4 spacer under the shelf frame for additional support. For the shelves and vertical dividers, use 1x10-inch boards. You're going to need 1/2-inch plywood or 3/4-inch slats for the bed platform and 1x5-inch boards for the shelf backing. The bed stands on 4 4-inch high round feet or casters. Number 8. Opt for light-colored geometric bedding to brighten your bedroom and make it feel larger. The most uncomplicated technique to make a small room seem larger is by using a lighter color scheme. Allowing natural light to bounce off light-colored walls and furniture will give a feeling of more space. The same is true when you use white blankets or comforters with only minimalistic geometric patterns to liven it up. For the bed sheets, use a bright gray color for a slight contrast. I recommend having the pillow covers in the same color and fabric design as the sheets. The area will seem roomier than it is with a combination of these light colors. Number 7. Choose furniture with legs. If you choose furniture with legs, it will reveal more of the bedroom floor, giving it a roomier feel. For example, you can build this DIY nightstand with a simple open shelf made of pine plywood. Just cut the top and bottom squares and the 2 sides to the dimensions you want and assemble them with a strong wood glue. These 10-centimeter hairpin legs are available on Amazon as a set of 4. They come with free screws so you can attach them to the bottom of the furniture. Furniture with legs, especially the bed, nightstand, and dresser, will make the room look less cramped. Number 6. A headboard with storage and made with walnut and love. With this headboard designed by Objects Mécaniques from Montreal, you get a hefty-looking one but has adequate storage space. The thick walnut boards with a dark natural finish will give any bed an elegant and classy look. It has a slight incline, making it more comfortable resting your back while sitting in your bed. The top surface has space if you want to display smaller items. You'll also find some shelves at the sides for additional storage. If you need more shelf space, you can add one above the headboard to give the wall more character. It's a great way to have some shelving inside a bedroom without taking up too much space. Number 5. Ensure there's plenty of light in your bedroom. One way to ensure more light in your bedroom is to install a pair of DIY hanging lights near your bedside. The U product line of Philips has light bulbs with Wi-Fi connectivity and easily plugs into nearby sockets. You control the brightness and turn the bulbs on and off with your smartphone using Google Home Mini or Amazon Echo Dot. You can also use voice commands to control these light bulbs. You can hang them by screwing 2 DIY 1x2-inch pine L-shaped brackets with a diagonal bracing on the wall. Number 4. Opt for a DIY rug. Light-colored area rugs will make your bedroom seem larger. All you need for this round DIY rug is enough 8mm thick sash cord and a glue gun. First, bend a little bit of the cord at one end and stick it with the glue gun. Wait a few seconds for the melted glue stick to dry. Keep wrapping it around until you have at least 12 rows from the center. Then start forming 2-inch high wavy loops around the first circle before adding another 12 rows. Repeat the process until you have a third and last band of cords. For more size, add enough circles with 6 rows from the center to fill the outer edge of your rug. Number 3. A slim multifunctional wardrobe makeover idea by Assortment Blog. This nifty wardrobe makeover functions both as a nightstand and a wardrobe. Sharing a single footprint saves a lot of space in the room while adding some storage. Smart. There's a single door at the front to access the floor-to-ceiling wardrobe. The top part is a rod for storing clothes with hangers. What makes it unique is a middle level with an open shelf facing the bed that serves as a nightstand. You can place any items such as an alarm clock and small decor just as you would on any nightstand top. The lower level provides additional space for other stuff. Number 2. For studio spaces, replace walls and doors with glass. Using transparent glass instead of traditional walls and doors for your bedroom would make a studio apartment seem bigger. When you're in the other living areas, it would seem that the bedroom is part of the space, although the glass wall separates it. The same goes when you're inside the bedroom and you see the rest of the apartment. It will feel like it's part of a bigger space outside. If you're worried about privacy, you can install curtains or blinds and draw them back anytime you want. Before I wrap this list up, thanks for keeping playing this video. If you like what you see, care to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. It benefits nearly half dozens of people working behind the video. And let's return to our final countdown. Lastly, number 1, minimalist look is the key. The more items you fill a bedroom with, the smaller and more confined it seems. That's why many designers and homeowners go for a minimalist look, not only to declutter a bedroom, but to make it feel more spacious. Most of the colors have bright tones in the photo above, and only the far wall behind the bed received a stark black treatment. It serves as an accent wall and gives the room more character. On the other hand, the light walls, ceilings, curtains, bedding, and large area rug are predominantly white and lend the room a more airy ambiance. Conclusion. So there you have it. You can start with a lighter color scheme for your bedroom. It's an uncomplicated initial solution that only calls for changing fabrics and straightforward paint jobs. Besides some creative storage, another way to free up some space is to go minimalist. Fewer items mean less visual and physical clutter that will make any room seem larger. These solutions aren't drastic or hard to follow, and best of all, they're light on the budget. Be sure to drop by simphome.com for more terrific home-inspired tips and DIY ideas. That's it for now. Before this video ends, feel free to use a comment area to express your thoughts or reactions. Like or share it with anyone close to you in social media if you think the video deserves more attention. I hope you enjoy your stay, and until we meet again later sometime in the future, have a good day.